impressed by your physiques that they really want to lock you, talking about you with their friends. I think you block this person. There is some kind of deception there. And your clarity is you are not going to take any BS because you are not convinced. Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of March, first week of March. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance, and if it not resonate with you, ignore it. Let's get started, Cancer. What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? And we are having here Queen of Wands, Page of Swords, the Hierophant, Ace of Cups. What are the Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? We are having here Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Three of Wands, Three of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? King of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be any Taurus with this Hierophant, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ace of Cups, Three of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the Seven of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Sword, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands and Three of Wands and Queen of Wands. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, and your person find you so attractive. This is like amazing when they find you so desirable. They find you so attractive, beauty with brain, and really impressed by your physiques, the way you carry yourself, the way you hold yourself, the way you do the things you do. They like whatever you do. Like they're really desirable. You are so desirable and adorable for them. And with this Hierophant, they want to marry you, commitment. There is, they really want to, lock you. They really want to lock you with them. With this Hierophant intentions like that. Like they really want to have you, the long-term commitment. And with this Page of Swords, this person is like checking your last scene over and over again. This person is just checking your WhatsApp, your last scene, your FB, your Insta, social, like doing that. They're just collecting information, and if they are not doing that, they are definitely talking about you with their friends. You are the topic. You are the only thing they want to talk about. It's you, because I can say that with this Queen of Wands along with the Page of Sword, this person only want to talk about you. Negative, positive, it's include everything. Just you. They're just seeking for answers. They're seeking for you. They just seek curiosity. They just want to talk about you. I think this person only want to talk about you. They can write as well, but no, they will talk about you and you and you. And overwhelming love in this person. Their emotions making them blind. They are just blindly in love with you. Like the phase when energies surround this person, and the energies telling that this person is blind in their emotions, feelings that they have for you, totally blind in love. And this person is so emotional towards you and talking about you. They only want to talk about you, and you are closed off. I think you block this person. If you block this person, I wonder how they check your last scene and your DP. They can't. Okay, you block this person. There is some kind of, you closed off. You are not talking to this person. If you don't block this person, definitely you are not talking to this person right now. You're closed off. And with this Three of Wands, you are analyzing your life, watching this person from distance. There is a distance between both of you, the distance of land. Yes, there is a distance, and you want to travel toward this person, and that give you the like a party, a celebration. This is a celebration for you. Want to see each this person. With this Four of Wands, it's give you happiness, celebration, and yes, there is some kind of celebration. You are celebrating with your friends, with your family. There is some kind of celebration, and with this Four of Pentacles, you are closed off, but you're enjoying with your friends, with your family. You are in a party mode, and you are analyzing this person from distance, and there is some kind of party, and with this king of pentacles, this person get a feel from you, you are so stable on your ground, and you are not going to step let this person step into your boundaries. There is some kind of boundaries grow around you, and this person is like, you feel so stable on your ground, they get a feel from you, and you are the one who can give anyone their 100%, but you are waiting for something. You are waiting with the Seven of Pentacles about something. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Cancer. What else we have for Cancer? What else we have for Cancer? And we are having here Seven of Sword, Ace of Sword, Two of Swords. With the Seven of Sword, there is some kind of deception there, manipulation, cheating, lies, something sneaky. This person is like, feel like that this person doing something sneaky, or maybe this person got a feel you are hiding from this something from this person, and you are like a warrior. You are like, you want to have a new beginning, you are not going to take any BS, you want clarity. And your clarity is, you are not going to take any BS. You are strict, you are like a warrior. Something you need to decide, something you feel like that you need to choose. You are at a certain phase when you feel like that, what about this person now, what should you do about this person? So you are deciding about that. You are collecting to your brain, your inner self, your mind, and want to take a decision. Right now, you you are like indecisive, but you want to decide. And yes, you are like a warrior here. And there is some kind of deception, cheating there. Okay, let's see. For more information, for more insights, what else we have for you? For more information, what should you avoid? Five of Sword, Queen of Sword, Four of Wands. Anxiety, picking up a fight with you, try to defeat you, try to prove their point on you. It will give them anxiety because you are not convinced. This person want to convince you. This person want to tell you. Maybe a little bit arguments between both of you, conflicts. But you are not convinced. You are still closed off, busy with your friends. And you just analyzing, watching this person from distance and cutting all the BS. You think this is emotional blackmailing, this is a BS, emotional BS. You think like that with this Queen of Sword. Arguments, conflicts, this person shouting at you, this person is uh, you know keep talking to you like, no, like this is like that, like that, like that. And when you arguing with that person and talking, and your nerves, it's a heavy burden on your nerves, but you are just keep thinking and want to convince you, and what you are not convincing. You are just like a Queen of Sword to this person, strict toward this person. Need to avoid that if you can. It will also cause you anxiety and depression, and you are just like, yeah, in a party, enjoying yourself. Yes, there is some kind of party event. There is some kind of yes, there is something entertaining, and there is something like for you, you're enjoying with your friends and your family. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading? Take action. You are in touch with your truth in this situation, and you need to trust your gut and loving assert yourself. Wow. Don't doubt yourself, trust your gut feeling. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Forget it. Spend some time with your mother. Stop listening sad music. Enjoy your friendship, and yes, you are enjoying your friendships. Okay, these are few advice messages, and the summary of your reading is, this person want to commit to you. This person want to lock you. This person feel like that. I think this person is doubting you with the third party. This person feel like that you are having an affair, and that's why this person is spying on you, talking about you, collecting information because you are enjoying with your friends, family. I think this person feel like that you are cheating on them, and in result you closed off. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.